Hello children. So the chapter that you can see is MS Windows, the operating system. You all know that Microsoft Windows is the most common operating system being used worldwide today. It is also called GUI based operating system, that is graphical user interface based operating system, because we use it to communicate with the computer through graphics or pictures. So we have already discussed about the first part of the chapter about the desktop, the wallpaper, icons and taskbar. Today we are going to discuss about the next part, that is files and folders. So what is a file? A file is a collection of data stored together. So there are different kinds of files. Some of the commonly used files are text files, audio files, video files, program files, etc. What is a folder? A folder is like a bag that stores a group of files, other folders or subfolders. So folder is like a bag. It's just like your school bag where you where you keep your books, copies, your other items like your tiffin, pencil box, etc. Similarly, a folder is also like a bag that stores a group of files, other folders or subfolders. Folders keep the files organized by grouping them. So these things are organized properly. So whatever you save on a computer is saved as a file. You can save it, you can rename it, you can delete a file. Now here you can see how an icon of a folder looks. It can be named according to what it contains. And these are the files inside a folder. Now you can see these are the files and the icons of different files. So each icon is different as it shows the software in which the file is made. MS Word, this is the file. So it's different than Microsoft Excel. Again, from Microsoft PowerPoint, it is also different. So each file is in their different form according to the things it contains. Now, application window. So when we double click on an icon, any icon, when you double click on the desktop, it opens in a new window. It is called application window. For example, on double clicking the document icon, it opens up in a new window. Similarly, when you open a MS Word icon, it will open in a new window, that is application window. Similarly, for Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, MS Paint, everybody has its own window, and that is the application window where you can work according to its contents. Now, what are the components of application window? These things are common, and the first thing is title bar. So title bar, the second is the control buttons, which contain minimize button, restore button, close button. Third is the menu bar, and the fourth is the work area. Now let us discuss one by one. First, now you can see the application window, how it looks. It contains title bar, it contains menu bar, it contains the control buttons, and it contains the work area. This is the window of application. Now, first the title bar. It is the blue strip on the top. This is the title bar. The blue strip on the top is the title bar. It shows the names of the file and the location of a program. So it will show the file name and where it is located. Where. Next is the control buttons. So control buttons, there are 3 buttons on the extreme right of the title bar. They are called control buttons. They serve many purposes. What are these buttons? Minimize button, restore button, and close button. So control buttons, there are 3 buttons on the extreme right of the title bar. So you can see in the extreme right there are 3 buttons of the title bar. You can see the minimize button, the restore button, and the close button. Now what is minimize button? It minimizes or shrinks the window from the screen to the taskbar. From the screen it will minimize and come in the taskbar. Now, so it will minimize or shrink the window and will come down. When you clicking on the taskbar button displays the windows again. When again you click it on the button, you can again see the windows. Next is restore button. You can see the picture. In the title bar there is a restore button. It reduces the size of the window. When you press this button, the size of the window will be short. When we click on it once, the size of the window reduces and the button changes to maximize button. When you click it once, it will change and there will be one button, it will be maximize button. On clicking this button, the window reappears on the full screen. Again, so first you click it over here where you can see the arrow. When you click it, the window becomes short, and then again when you click the maximize button, it will be in its full screen. Next is the close button. This is the close button. So this close button, it looks like this. It closes the window. When you press this button, the application window will be closed. Next comes menu bar. So we have discussed about the title bar, control buttons, and now comes the menu bar. You can see these are the menu bar. It is just like the title bar. So just like the title bar, this menu bar also appears just at the below it. It contains menu for different tasks. So it is just below the title bar and it contains the menu for different tasks such as organize, share with, burn, new folder, etc. Next is the work area. Now this is the area we find the list of folders and files. In this area, we do all our work. A workspace for doing tasks such as typing and drawing. So the work area is the area where you do all your work. Next. So this was all about the application window. Now when you shut down, what do you press? Click the start button and then you have to choose shutdown option. The computer will shut down. So this was all about today's class. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Till then, take care and goodbye.